In this video, we're going to be going over Tbitex exchange, and I'm going to explain to you why you should stop what you're doing and actually join this exchange. I've spent countless time and money joining different exchanges to figure out what is actually going to save me money, save me gas fees, and be user-friendly all in well. If you haven't already subscribed, drop a comment below and hit the bell for all your latest crypto news and reviews. Now, Titbix is dedicated to derivatives exchange and is going to meet all of the trading demands in various scenarios, and is going to do this with a self-developed matching engine, high liquidity, and a flexible trading strategies as well. It's what I found is stable and reliable operation, and you can actually trade worry-free, and they have a 99.99% availability even in the volatile market. As we're seeing with Luna, this is something that you should really be paying close attention to. Now, there is one special thing about this, and you should really follow along with this because they have a compensation for unusual losses. That's right, you heard exactly correct. So they're actually putting the security of the traders top priority. So they fully compensated the users who experience unusual loss due to extreme price spikes, slippage greater than 0.3%, and network anomalies or downtimes as well. So don't worry, they're taking care of you in this way. They even have a quality customer service that's 24/7, that's multilingual on support, and one-on-one exclusive services for VIP customers. And in this video, if you continue to watch it through, I'm going to show you exactly how to file for a unusual loss compensation. So stick around for that. All right, so let's get started with it. Now, the thing about Titbix is really cool. And if you look in the link in the description below, you're going to actually see that I'm going to give you a opportunity to join and with my link, and you're going to take $110 for joining up simply. And you're going to be able to check them out on Twitter. You're going to be able to see them on Telegram as well if you follow their channel. So this is something you want to stick around for. All right. So the design of this page is absolutely wonderful. It's not clunky. I found a lot of exchanges very clunky, and the design was absolutely horrible. If we're speaking about Coinbase, gave me a ton of problems. Not a big fan of that, especially with their whole statement just a few days ago that they were saying, oh, well, if we crash, you know, if we go bankrupt, we're keeping your crypto. Well, this is why you should actually look at other exchanges, and you should definitely keep Titbix in mind for this. All in all, it's very, very easy to navigate through. The design is absolutely spectacular, very beautiful. As soon as you sign in, and only to sign in, all you need is an email address, a password in mind. That's it. Verify your email and you're good to go. Of course, you have your KYC, and we're going to go over that in just a minute as well. But as soon as you come into Titbix, you're going to have your market trend. You can see what Bitcoin's doing, Ethereum, right, Litecoin, XRP, and you can just go to futures trading or spot trading, and we're going to go in that too in just a moment. Now, these are your options here right off the bat. You have futures trading, so they have that market liquidity that's going to allow you to trade futures. And you're going to be able to do spot trading. That's going to be very, very easy for you. And it allows immediate buying and selling of assets. And coming soon, they're going to have copy trading, which is a fantastic, fantastic tool for you, especially for new beginners in trading. This is really going to push this for you. So you can trade just like the pros, and you can actually earn with a pro with their copy trading features as well. So it's going to allow you to actually copy that trader's platform. You're going to be able to discover their smart investment patterns, and you're going to be able to unleash those possibilities, and you're going to be able to earn lots of money. And coming soon as well, you have Titbix Earn. So you're going to be able to take advantage of the Earn. So if you prefer to hold your assets for a long haul, and it's a staking feature that allows you to invest in coins and tokens that offer competitive annual percentage yields for a certain lock-in period. So this is another way you're going to be able to earn. They have a wonderful app. The app is even more simple, very, very easy to do. So you should sign in. They have it in Apple Store, they have it in Google Play, they have it for Android, or you can download it straight from the site just with a QR code if you have a QR code reader as well. They're recognized by leading organizations, so they are very trusted. Coin Codex, they're by TradingView, Mercuro, Benga, and you have Non-Sec as well as Simplex. So you can see now TradingView. I love TradingView. I use it all the time. So for even them, recognizing them is a big deal. Let's go into it. Buying crypto. When we click on buying crypto, it's very simple too. And I love this because, you know, to actually buy crypto can be quite a headache for some people, right? I see this all the time in comments too. People are asking, well, how can I buy this? How can I buy that? I want to buy Terra for some reason, but that's what they want. Crypto, and you have several options. So you can do it in like USD, and you can do it, you can pay from USD, euros, Great British pounds, right? You have Hong Kong dollars, right? TWD, Japan yuan as well, and you can receive it in USDT and USDC. Now, there is a disclaimer you should follow that the website will be redirected to a new browser window and a third-party external link. Well, that's always the case for any exchange, so don't worry. So you have your choices here. You have Legend Trading, you have Itex, you have Simplex, you have Manja, and you have Mercuro. You can pay with different options as well. If it's Apple Pay, Google Pay, Bank, Visa, and MasterCard as well. And Legion Trading is more like wire transfer, ACH, and bank, so you can do this as well. And that's simply put. So I think you guys already know this. You can choose your service provider, lock in the price that you want, and there you go. And you can see. Now, you can see for the price, $1 US, 20, I get 35 USDT, right? For 20 US dollar, 35 USDT. So there's really no fee in this. It's fantastic. I love it. So once you're ready to go, you just click on the I have read and agreed the disclaimer and buy now, and it redirects you, and you're good to go to start trading and making some money. Looking at the market. So when we click on market, it's going to take you here as well. And don't worry, the white screen is something that I don't enjoy liking so much. You can always change that in the settings. So you can do that as well. Just click on the profile image, and you can go through the account security and change everything as you feel fit. So when you look at the market, you can look at the USDT markets. And you can see Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, XRP, right, TRX, and all of these you're going to be able to follow through just to kind of see what the market's doing. And I like it because if it's right beside the buy crypto, which is a very big thing, because if I'm looking at the market, I'm like, oh, well, that looks kind of okay. Just, if it's up. So if I want to buy, I can buy right now. It's that simple. Now, I'm going to jump over. We're going to skip future and spot for the moment. Let's go over to promotions. So there's rewards that you should really take an account of. When you click on the promotions, so you can get $110 for completing tasks. So you have a $2 trial fund. So just all you have to do is complete the KYC verification, $2, right? You can get $10 if you deposit $300 or more, a single deposit of $300 and above, and any currency to get USDT of $10. And you can do the trial fund, the $3 as well, for just doing the futures trade. So conduct your first future trade in any currency to get $3, and you have it. 15, you're going to have that for the future trading volume reaches 150,000, right? So the rules here is by achieving an accumulated futures trading volume of $150,000, you can get 15, $30 for $300,000 and more, 850,000, you can get $40, and another 10 if you refer somebody. So click on that link in the description is below. But the rules, let's go over the rules, right? So the trial fund can be used in the future trade of any trading pairs. It can also be used as the margin of compensation for losses, and it cannot be the trial fund, but can withdraw any profit it generates. Now, when making a deposit, you can use the currency supported by Tbitex wallet, and the deposit amount should be calculated as actual USDT arrived in your account. Any deposit is non-USDT currency is going to be automatically converted into USDT, right? Future trading volume means that the total trading volume of futures. The trial fund will be distributed within 7 working days after the completion of each task, and the distributed trial fund will appear in your reward center to be claimed list. So the trial fund will expire if not claimed within that 7 days. So don't do that. So definitely claim it as soon as you take it. Now, to claim the trial fund, users must complete the KYC verification and conduct at least one futures trade. Right. Should any withdrawal occurs, the trial under the state of distributing to be claimed or in use will be cleared, and any resulting losses to the orders will be borne by the user himself. And only accounts registered after March 25th, 2022 can participate in these tasks. Now, the right of final interpretation for the above belong to Titbix, right? So you can check that out when you just click in and go to promotions as well. So the trading benefits. Let's go over the trading benefits now. Just to kind of show you guys what they're really going, I'm going to show you how to use everything else, and you can take this anywhere, but this is really special here, and you're going to see what makes this so awesome. Trading benefit, right? So you can earn an extra 2% when you make a profit on your futures order and get a 2% subsidy when you lose, right? So you can trade now, benefits claim today, right? And you're gonna be able to see this, the benefit record. So you can have this. The rules for this: when your profit order exceeds 200 USDT, the profit rate is greater than 200%, you will get 2% of the net profit generated from that order as rewards. Now, when the loss of your order exceeds 200, due to forced liquidation, you're gonna get 2% for the margin order as a subsidy, and you can receive 20 USDT benefits every day, which means that total trading value benefits for each person can reach 1,000 USDT. Now, the trading benefits will be calculated and distributed every 24 hours, and the benefits will be distributed to your futures account in the form of a trial fund. So you can do referrals as well, and you have all of this. So you see how everything is very easy, very, very simple to jump in and get started just from the design of it right off the bat. So let's get to the cream of the crop. All right, now I'm here in futures, and this is the fun stuff. So here we have our order book and we have our market trades. If you guys are familiar with the order book, you know how this goes, the givers and the takers, or the makers. And you can see that we have our charts. Of course, we can zoom in. Very easy. I love the night vision because it helps my eyes so much. You guys are probably not the same. Maybe you like this, but it's my choice here. So you can see we're checking out the volume. We're looking at Bitcoin and USDT perpetual, and we can change this as well. If we want to do like Ethereum, for example, we can just change this, and we have all of our tools, and it's actually done to you in real time. Now you can change it from 1 hour, you can do it to the minutes, you can do 1 week, 1 month, right? You have your index, your set, which you're going to be able to use. Very, very simple. You can see your position as well. So in the indicators, you can choose your indicators. Not every platform has this, and this is a big thing. And I think if you're trading, it's very important to have these tools for you, because to go back and make your plan and to go from here and there, and I see a lot of people do this, this is definitely something that makes it much easier. So you can do your MACD, you can see your moving, just your regular moving averages, your money flow, your net volume, everything that's really going to help you make your next strategy profitable. You can go to your open orders, your trigger orders as well, your order history, even your stop and loss take, and your futures bill as well. So you're going to be able to see this. And don't worry, you can actually click on full screen right here at the top, and you make that bigger. So if you have problems with seeing, or you just want to get a better view, you can do that. Now I like to just zoom in and kind of plan it for this, and just move in and kind of do my thing. The order book, if you know the order book, that's what we're just speaking about. This is the part that you should pay attention to. This is what really makes Titbix really stand out. Is not only that, is you can do cross trading, which what you see now, or you can do individual with the isolated position mode, which is really cool. So you can actually have 10 different positions on this as well, which is really, really awesome. So the isolated margin of multiple positions open in the same direction for the same trading pair will not be merged. So they're going to be allocated to an individual position. So with the cross, all positions share the same margin balance. So you're going to be able to open up 10 different positions and actually take that as well. So you're going to make a lot of money. This is what's special. This is what they do, and I haven't seen before. Now, if we're speaking about cross, you can even do like 10x, for example, 100x, or you can select it right here off the bat. Now the maximum, the current leverage is high, please pay attention. So the maximum is 500 Ethereum. Not a lot of people are doing that for that price. So the maximum quantity, 1,300. This is for my account, of course. I don't have that kind of money, but this is something you can do right off the bat. So you can do 20x, and you can go on all the way up to 100x if you want. Now, let's get into a little bit more. So you're going to want to make sure that you're going to have a sufficient account balance before you actually start your contact trading, right? Now, they only support USDT and perpetual contacts. So you may buy the USDT from the fiat currency trading zone, or you can deposit the USDT of other platforms, Titbix, for trading as well. So that USD bought from a fiat currency transaction and deposited from other platforms will be placed in your account, and you need to manually transfer such USDT to your contract account before you're actually doing this. Now, the very specific operations for opening your positions for contracts. So you'll just click contract to enter the contract mode as well, and you're going to be able to do. Now I'm doing, this is it right here. You're going to be able to see Ethereum and USD perpetual, right? And you can start trading from here. Now, when we're doing this, you're going to see we have longs, we have shorts, right? You can open long, you can open short, and you can select the quantity if you want, and you can set your limit price, market price, or your trigger order, all right here in the start. Now, once you have, I'm trading Ethereum perpetual, so once you select the order type and the leverage ratio, you're going to enter the order price. A market order requires no order price though, and you're going to be directly concluded at the market price and transaction quantity and selected by going long or sell by going short, right? So by going long, by going short, and the same thing. So you're going to choose your type. Now I have limit price, but I'm going to click short, right? All right, and so you're going to be able to do those, and you can actually adjust the position mode and leverage, which is up here as well. You're going to be able to select that. So this is going to be your leverage, and you're going to do it just the same as we just showed you with the isolated position mode. So the same thing is right here. All right, so after your order is placed, now the orders are not concluded, will be displayed in the current order zone, right? And it's going, the positions of all concluded orders are going to display in all positions zone as well. And so you're going to be able to see that in holdings. So you're going to see everything right here. So your positions in perpetual, right? This is where we are, your wallet balance, your unrealized, and your margin balance as well. Now you can actually go to open orders and see all of that as well for you. So, all right. And so again, if you want to see your orders, you can just click up and go up here. Now this is on mobile. You're going to be able to see your spot orders or your contract orders as well. So this is on the desktop, but you can also see this on your mobile device as well. It's a little bit different. It's just designed to be a little bit easier. Honestly, the app is much easier to kind of follow through. But all in all together, it's very simple to do. You even have notifications as well if you need to do that. And so you can check out your spot orders, for example. I'm just going to jump here really quick so you can see, or your contract orders, just to like give you an idea of what that looks like. So you can see your open orders, your trading record. You're going to be able to follow all of that, your order history. Now I haven't traded anything on this account because it's just for you. And here we go. And so when we go to spot trading, for example, let's jump here really quick because I want to show you how to use the unusual loss. There's two ways for that as well. So we're going to get to that in just a moment. So stay tuned. And so here we are at our spot trading, right? The same thing, an exception to we don't have that individual, right? So we can do the place limit order, the market price, same rules applies, right? We can do our leverages right here, buy, or you can sell as well. This is the limit order. If you go to the market price, buy at the best market price, you're going to choose, right? Buy Bitcoin. I'm just in Bitcoin because right here you can change if you want to go to a different currency. You're going to be able to see the market trades going on. Or you can trade and set here your stop loss and so forth. You get the idea, right? So it's the same thing. So you can hide your other symbols. This is the same thing, just a little bit different based on spot trading, depending on what you're looking to do. Here you go. And you can see these charts are all by trading view, which is really awesome. All right. So now we covered that. Now you see what makes it already special. Now let's get into the big thing right here. I'm just going to go back to the main homepage for the moment. Now, unusual loss. This is a very important thing, and this is why I wanted to make this video, because right now Luna really shook everything up. And there's, they're opening criminal records, civilian lawsuits, criminal claims as well to Do Kwon. And that is an unusual loss because he kind of cheated, right? Well, and even if you look at it this way, even because there's an outage or if it's hacked and you lost money on this and you can't enter this, well, they're going to reimburse you for that. So how do you do that? There's two ways, right? So if you're on the desktop, you're not going to find, you need to contact online support, right? But if you're on the desktop, there is no place to find the online support. So how do you do it from desktop, right? Let's say maybe you don't want to use your phone. Maybe that's too complicated. Maybe that's too bulky. Well, you'll scroll all the way down and you're going to go straight to contact. You're going to email support and explain your situation to support. And you're going to tell them that is for an unusual loss, right? And then they're going to put in a ticket order for you. They're going to review it, and they're going to get back in touch with you, and it can be distributed back to you within 7 days. That's it. Now, in the mobile app, we're going to use this for an example. In the mobile app, as you can see right here, you're going to click on the profile image and you're going to be able to see online support. You're going to click that. You can actually go to speak to a representative, or you can just write in your question or your statement in detail, tell them what's going on. You're going to put the ticket order and the same process is over. So that's all you would do. You would go to the profile image on the mobile app. You're going to go to online support. You're going to see that right immediately. You're going to see online support. Click on it. Very fast, very easy. They respond 24/7. If whatever language, they're going to help you take advantage of that. And if you're on desktop, you go straight to the home page, scroll all the way down where nobody ever goes, and you're going to go to contact, and you're going to click on this right here. And they're partnered with CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, CoinCodex. I mean, what more do you want? This is an absolute. You can check them also out on Facebook and Twitter, and they have a awesome Twitter page. And so you can go here and see this as well. You're going to be able to jump in and see all of their posts, kind of follow them through. So join them on Twitter, and they even have a and so you can join them. You can join the group on Telegram, and you're going to be able to write in and speak to different people, get support, get ideas. You're going to see different news as well. So join them on Telegram, follow them on Facebook, and follow them on Instagram as well. They're everywhere. So definitely do that. And if you haven't already, do subscribe, drop a comment below, go to my description and click the link. Take advantage of this referral, and you're going to be able to earn some extra money as well. So do that and get started. Start saving money, and do this with confidence. Do this with such a way that you don't have to worry, are they going to steal my money? Do they protect me? Do they care about me? Because let's be honest, not all exchanges really care about you. Binance or Coinbase do not really care, and we've kind of seen that in recent points. So jump to Titbix and join it right now. Thank you guys for watching. If you have questions, if you want to see a follow-up video, if you have questions on how to use anything else here, feel free, drop a comment below and I will respond. Until then, see you guys next time.